Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage, well-equipped 2015 Toyota Venza Limited all-wheel drive, stock number Z7329A. Only 18,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Color is called Celestial Silver Metallic. You receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Safe vehicle as well. 5-star overall government crash rating. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Rear seats fold flat for additional cargo space. Backup camera. Lower the rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power lift gate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. With removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, upgraded 13-speaker JBL sound system, power seats along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy-to-read gauges, again only 18,000 miles, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen Entune infotainment system for navigation, radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability, dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Here, home link transmitter for garage door opener and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Venza has a 3.5 liter V6, 268 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 18 miles per gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7329A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.